What's up, guys? What's going on? I got another video for you guys today. I think a lot of people wonder what the heck is a stable coin and what is Tether? What is USDT? So let's get into it. Let's explain. So Tether is like the largest stable coin on in the crypto market. Let's read this. Understanding USDT Tether, a beginner's guide to stablecoins in crypto. Cryptocurrency can seem like a thrilling but scary adventure for newcomers. Prices of coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum can skyrocket or plummet in hours, making it hard to feel secure. That's where stablecoins come in. They're designed to hold steady value, acting like a calm anchor in the stormy crypto sea. One of the most popular is USDT, also known as Tether. In this easy to read essay, we'll explain what USDT is, its history, and how it works, why it's useful, potential risks, and tips for getting started. Thinking of it as your friendly intro to the key player in crypto world as of 2025. What is USDT Tether? Simply put, USDT Tether is a type of cryptocurrency called a stablecoin. Unlike volatile coins, it's built to stay pegged to the value of the US dollar at a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning 1 USDT should always be worth about $1. This stability makes it feel like digital cash, more like digital cash than a speculative investment. Tether is issued by Tether Limited, a company based in the British Virgin Islands and owned by Ifinex, which also runs the Bitfinex exchange. It's not backed by a government like regular dollars, but by the company's reserves. As of 2025, Tether is the biggest stablecoin out there, with a market cap of over $114 billion, more than 350 million users worldwide. It trades more value than even Bitcoin sometimes, making it a staple on crypto exchanges. A quick history of Tether. Tether started in 2014 as Realcoin, founded by Brooke Pierce, Reeve Collins, and Craig Sellers in California. The first tokens launched on Bitcoin's blockchain in October that year, and it was renamed Tether in November to reflect its tied value. The goal was simple: create a digital dollar for the crypto space to make trading easier without constant price swings. Over the years, Tether grew massively. By 2019, it overtook Bitcoin as the most traded crypto. In recent times, the company has expanded into things like Bitcoin mining with renewable energy in Uruguay, and even invested $775 million in a video platform called Rumble in late 2024. It reported huge profits, $5.2 billion in the first half of 2024 alone, showing its strong position in 2025. How does Tether work? Tether's magic lies in its peg to the dollar. The company claims every USDT is backed by real assets and reserves like US dollars, treasury bills, gold, Bitcoin, and secured loans. As of mid-2024, reserves hit $118.4 billion, including nearly $98 billion in U.S. treasuries and $5.3 billion of extra for safety. Independent firms like Cantor Fitzgerald verified this to build trust. USDT runs on various blockchains such as Ethereum, as USDT ERC20, and Tron and Solana. These are like digital highways where transactions happen and cheaply. When you buy USDT, you are getting a token that moves like any crypto but stays stable. You can redeem it for real dollars through approved exchanges, through though not directly if you're in the U.S. due to regulations. Wait a minute. You can though, so that's weird. Because on Coinbase, I just did it. I just had USDT. I don't think I cashed it out to like my PayPal or whatever, but I used my debit card to spend it. So I don't see much of a difference there. And I always use XRP or cash out XRP and XLM. I don't know. I've never tried to sell USDT, but I'm pretty sure you can. Because if it's sold on Coinbase, I think you can sell it for US dollar. So I don't know why there's a discrepancy here. This is weird. So yeah, US does not, I don't think, like Tether because it is unregulated. And yeah, I think it definitely favors RLUSD or USDC. Yeah. Anyway, let's keep going. Why use USDT? Benefits for newbies. For beginners, USDT is a lifesaver in volatile markets. Here's why. Escaped price swings. If Bitcoin drops, swap it for USDT to park your value safely without exiting crypto entirely. Later, buy back in when prices rise. 2. Easy trading. On exchanges like Binance or Bybit, or BTCC, or BitTrue. Those are the leverage trading platforms that I use, and they definitely favor Tether. USDT pairs with most coins, letting you trade without converting to fiat and facing bank fees or delays. Payments and transfers send money globally fast and cheap. In 2025, you can pay with USDT via wallets, credit cards, or services like Now Payments. It's great for international remittances. Bridge to fiat. USDT acts as a gateway between traditional money and crypto, making it easier to enter and exit the market. It's also versatile. Use it for lending on platforms to earn interest or in DeFi, decentralized finance apps. Risks and controversies. What to watch out for. No crypto is perfect, and Tether has its share of drama. The big issue? Transparency of reserves. In 2021, the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission fined Tether $41 million for misleading claims about full dollar backing. Turns out reserves were only about 27.6% at cash at times. There have been accusations of market manipulation, like inflating Bitcoin prices with new USDT issuance. More recently, as of 2024 and 2025, Tether faces U.S. federal probes for possible sanctions violations and anti-money laundering lapses. It's been linked to illicit activities through, though the company fights back by freezing over $1 billion in shady assets and partnering with law enforcement. For newbies, this means USDT isn't risk-free. If the peg breaks, it briefly did in 2022, you could lose value. Compared to rivals like USDC, more transparent but smaller, Tether's dominance comes with caveats. Also, research and use reputable exchanges. So I personally, if it's going to be a stable coin, I would probably prefer RLUSD, but it's only available on certain exchanges right now. It's kind of brand new. It's Ripple stablecoin, and it's the most regulated one. So that's the one I would probably trust the most personally. But anyway, getting started and final thoughts. To try USDT, sign up on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Verify, buy with fiat, and store in wallet like Trust Wallet. Start small, maybe convert $50 to USDT and practice trading. In summary, USDT Tether is a beginner's best friend in crypto. Stable, useful, and widely accepted. It bridges old school money with digital future, but stay informed about its controversies. With over 70% of the stablecoin market, it's here to stay in 2025. Dive in cautiously, and crypto won't feel so overwhelming. So that concludes that, guys. Also, you can get USDT. I can buy it on Coinbase now. You can get it on BitTrue, BTCC. Those two is where I do my leverage trading. But if you do leverage trading, tread carefully, because you can make a ton of money, but you can also lose a ton of money too. I have links to all those in the description. Just click onto my simple.bio link. You can get free crypto when you deposit at Coinbase, Uphold, as I said, BitTrue, BTCC, and also Pionix down there in the description. Simple.bio link, click that, or click the one on the end screen. And then when you sign up, just do your KYC, verify your identity, all that good stuff, and make deposit. And you'll get a big deposit bonus for free. So, free crypto. Anyway, I appreciate y'all very much. Let me know what you guys think about USDT Tether. And do you use it? Are you wary about it? Are you interested maybe using it? Let me know what you think down there in the comment section. Alright, guys, check out those the affiliate links. Just click onto the simple.bio link down there in the description. Smash the like, subscribe, and peace out till next time.